In the 9th century, a Persian mathematician named Al-Khwarizmi was able to derive the quadratic formula. The problem was, given the general form of a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are constants, solve for x in terms of a, b, and c. The idea was to first divide the equation by a. This cancels the coefficient of x, and the equation becomes x squared plus b over a x plus c over a equals 0. Then we subtract c over a from both sides, so we get x squared plus b over a x equals negative c over a. Now we make the left-hand side a perfect square by adding b squared over 4a squared to both sides. So we have x squared plus b over a x plus b squared over 4a squared equals negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Now we take the square root of both sides, and now we have x plus b over 2a equals positive or negative square root of negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. We can simplify the radicand by writing it as negative 4ac over 4a squared plus b squared over 4a squared, which can be written as negative 4ac plus b squared over 4a squared, which we can write as b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. We take the square root of the numerator and denominator, so now we have x plus b over 2a equals positive or negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we subtract b over 2a from both sides, and now we have x equals positive or negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a minus b over 2a. We can write this as x equals positive or negative square root of b squared minus 4ac minus b all over 2a. And rearranging, we get x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And this is the quadratic formula.